Hello student, today we are drawing about the board by using geometrical shape. First of all we make circle. Below the circle we join a oval. We make oval like this. Then after below the oval we make a small triangle. Then another side we make a big long triangle. After this we make W. We use the letter W for making leg. Then at the first in circle we make two triangle with joining for making peak. And we make in W we make a small rectangle and we make leg. After making leg we should join the circle and oval by making line. After that we make curved in big shape. Then after we erase it. In oval we make curve and join triangle and oval. Then after we erase it, the unnecessary part. After that another triangle we join each others and erase the unnecessary part. Then after we are making feathers of birds by joining the curve part. Small curve, we make small curve, small oval, then making the feathers of bird. After complete to making the feathers of bird, we make a small circle in a circle. Then we make eye. After that we make the tail parts by giving line and we put some curve in the body part. Then our body is ready. So like this we make a bird. We also make by joining curve line make a branch of tree. Now like this we make a bird. Thank you for watching my channel. You also make bird like this. If you have any doubt, you must put comment and you must subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.